What's up, guys? I'm gonna give you a tip today that might save your house from flood. All right, what I want you to do is go find your water heater in your house, and I want you to look for this valve right here. This valve is a temperature relief valve, and it is designed to pop off and drain water really quickly if the water gets too hot or the pressure in the tank gets to be too great. Then it'll pop off and water is going to shoot out super fast enough to where if this was just piped down to the pan, there's no way the pan could keep up with the drain. So you have a drain in your pan right here, and that's if the water heater was slowly leaking, it would kind of drain out. But if this pops out, you have to have a way for it to get to the outside. So I want you to look at your water heater, find the TMP valve, or the relief valve is what we call them. If it just goes straight down and it stops, that's a problem. So it needs to be piped to the outside of the house. Or, you know, it has to have, see, this is piped like this and it goes down and it goes out. But you don't want this thing to just be stubbed down into the pan. It needs to go all the way to the outside of your house. And you'll probably see, this piece of pipe, whatever it's made out of, copper or CPVC, you'll see a little 90 stuck out the side of the house. That's so it can drain out there and not in your floor, because there's no way your pan can keep up with how much water is going to come out of there. It's just something that, you know, it's just something you need to know, something you need to check if that line is just stubbed down to the floor. And if it is, it needs to be stubbed to the outside of the house. So check it out. And if you have any problems, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.